Hello friends, welcome to our channel Magic Gift Lab. Best gift for bike lover. First, cartoon photo frame. Second is good luck keychain. Third, motorcycle pen stand. Fourth, motorcycle bike alarm decks. Fifth, bullet bike night light. Sixth, helmet. Seventh is riding jacket. 8. Bike riding gloves. 9. Boots. 10. Face mask. 11. Shoes protector for gear shift. 12. Turtle bag. 13. Sunglasses. 14. Headphones. And 15. Wall hanging bike wall art. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.